Hi guys, good morning. So today, somebody asked me, ano bang consumption, gas consumption ng mga V6 cars? Kasi as you all know, all of my cars are V6. So I wanted, or V6 or inline 6, diba? So 6-cylinder cars. A lot of people kasi have this thinking na pag 6-cylinder, matakaw sa gasolina yung kotse. In some instances, yes. Kung talagang crawling, siguro mga 5 kilometers per hour. Let's say, stuck ka sa EDSA. Yes, oo. It can go from, at best, 3.9 to 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers per liter, di ba? Pero, on normal driving, let's say city driving, it can go up to 8 kilometers. So, from 6.5 to 8 kilometers per liter. So, that's basically at par with a lot of 2-liter engines, naturally aspirated, or even 1.5 4-cylinder turbo engines, those small engines. Kasi guys, you have to always think na power to weight ratio yan eh. So, let's say for a Camry, diba, or Accord, a mid-size sedan, it needs that power. So, you don't have to tap the gas pedal too much para to get the car moving, diba? Hindi kagaya ng smaller engine cars. Kapag let's say 4 kayo na tao, tapos let's say on an average weight of 120 pounds each kayo, so that's a lot of weight that that small engine has to carry. So you have to take that in consideration, and also yung transmission ng kotse. So I want to show you, while I'm driving here in the city today, ikot-ikot lang ako sa area ko, ano ba yung consumption ng Camry. So this Camry is a 2007 Camry. It's a 3.5 V6, and I'm gonna show you from my house, paikot-ikot sa, I'm gonna go to the mall, go to the supermarket, and I'll show you the gas consumption, ilan kilometers per liter siya. Okay? Hi guys. So today I went around my area and I did 9.5 kilometers. That was my trip. So I set it to 0 before I left the house. Tapos, I wanted to show you guys ano ba yung fuel consumption ng mga V6 cars, diba? Especially of before, diba? Yung mga naturally aspirated engines. So I'll show you guys. So here you go guys. So rounded off 7 kilometers, 9.5 kilometers yung trip ko. So 7.9 kilometers per liter, which is not bad at all. Considering guys, this is a mid-size sedan and it has around 268 horsepower. So it's a lot of power for a big car that you could fit around 5 to 6 people depende at the back. If you have 4 kids, kasyang-kasya sila dyan. With a big trunk, so perfect for groceries. So guys, there. Basically, I just wanted to show you guys what it's like to drive a V6 car for everyday use, diba? Especially if your work is near lang, if you're running 10 to 15 kilometers, you're gonna get 7 to 8 kilometers per liter, which is at par with a lot of 2-liter engines of today. So matipid siya, considering, like I said earlier, size of the car, what you could carry at the back, diba? Kasi malaki yung trunk nito. Tapos not only that, it's comfortable. I mean, with mid-size sedans, diba, what you're really getting is comfort. So don't be afraid to buy a 6-cylinder car, especially if it's coming from Toyota and Honda. They're known for 6-cylinder cars, right? So you know, it's sadly the V6 engines are being replaced by small engine displacement with turbochargers. I think you know, iba pa rin yung tunog ng isang 6-cylinder and 8-cylinder and, you know, 10, 12 cylinders, diba? So, you know, if you're looking for a second-hand car, you know, don't be afraid to choose between, kasi with this car, the Camry and the Accord, and even Nissan Tiana, and ano pa ba mga Nissan Altima, right? You can get a 4-cylinder, which is a 2.4, 2.5, depending on the year, or a V6, which is a 3.5 V6, right? Or even a Lexus IS300 or IS350, which also carries a V6. So don't be afraid to buy these cars. Una, they're, you know, they're very reliable engines. They just don't break down. Just make sure before buying that, you know, you do the full inspection, scan it, check everything, diba? Before you even buy. But in terms of fuel consumption, hindi nagkakalayo ang 4-cylinder, the 2.4, 2.5, and the V6. So that's my video for today. Hope you liked it. For more videos, please subscribe, and I'm gonna keep you up to date with the BMW E46 project. I think it's gonna be done end of this month, hopefully. If latest, first week of October. So take care guys, keep safe.